I've been working on setting up a scenic waterfall spot in our creek. I managed to create a pool in the middle of it, but I'm missing one thing, a pump, so I can circulate the water and keep the waterfall flowing. But it can't be any normal pump. So today, I'm testing out and installing a 35-watt solar pump from Poposoap. And this pump comes shipped to your door, ready to create a fountain or waterfall as well. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a hose, different nozzle attachments, your pump, extra filters, your solar panel, and that's everything. To get started, you can attach the different nozzles or the hose. I'm going to use the hose. So I attach that and put the pump inside of a filter bag, not included. Place the pump into the water, and then you can connect the pump to the solar panel. Flip out the kickstands, and then place the solar panel aimed at the sun. Then I arranged the hose around the waterfall and encased it in rocks so the hose couldn't be seen. The pump powers on and starts pushing water through the hose, and then feeding out over the rocks, creating the waterfall. And with this pump, we have a constant flow of water and can keep circulating the water in the pool to keep it fresh. Hearing that trickle of water is so relaxing and exactly what I wanted. I've spent so much time cleaning up this creek and turning it into something that I thought I could only imagine. But now, I can relax by the waterfall and listen to the sounds of nature, and I couldn't be happier. Then of course, you can add the different nozzles and make your own fountains for a feature piece or bird bath. The flow of the water depends on the strength of the sun. So if you're not getting constant power, you could plug it into a power station and get constant water flow. So if you're looking to set up a fountain or a waterfall, this pump from Poposoap might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go relax by the waterfall and listen to the flowing water. See ya.